What's up, everybody? It's your boy Juice and Lince back at it again. And today we're opening up more sword and shield packs, but we also have something epic.
But wait, there's more!
First edition base set Spanish
I was
packs.
gonna say, they don't look like English.
No. What does that say?
That says Pokemon trading card game. Here
we go. And then we also have 2 Skyridge and 2 legendary collection packs that we're probably going to open up before these. These hold, something special to us as base set, but now they're also first edition and they're Spanish packs. Be kind of dope to open up, and then we're going to open up these. But first,
what you're telling me is that this video is about the Lucha Lit.
Lucha Lit.
And that these people...
Lucha.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share because this is about to go down.
All right, sorry. Anyway, there's a Meowth. That's all you get. That's all you get. Grookey, Sabo. Oh, reverse. And
I feel like you have to say the new Pokemon in like an accent.
Gotcha. Like
roll all the R's.
Can you do it in a British accent since like the Galarian region is supposed to be British?
No.
Oh, gotcha. That's very crabby. Ooh.
Is that correct?
Ooh, Ponyta. Ooh, reverse. And my anaconda don't want none unless you got buns on. Whoosh. No?
No, I got it.
All right, cool.
I'm doing a little twerk until I saw Umbreon look at me.
Yeah, be careful, man. Umbreon gonna knock you out, man. Is Umbreon, so the Eevee foxes, cats, or dogs? What do you think?
I thought they were foxes.
They look like, or like something like that, right? Dude, we are not pulling anything from this box that we broke, by the way.
We pulled everything earlier.
Did we? No, we didn't. We pulled like maybe one full art.
Oh, true. Yeah, maybe.
We're pulling a Lince box right now.
We got some hollows from that.
Did we?
I thought so.
Here we go. Yamper. Ooh, this is actually like a $3 card.
I like that art on that one. I think that art makes that Pokemon look cool.
Yeah. Yeah.
I wasn't a big fan of that with the, what's the other, hand sign?
Yeah. All right, here we go.
Chin-chow.
Diglett, my finger. The homie. Baloney. Reverse hologram on a bike. And boom, we got a V card. Indeedy. That's all we get. Ooh, there's an ordinary rod. There's the homie. Look. And then. All right.
Hitmonchan, go.
Oh, 100% Hitmonlee. But see, why, though? I like Hitmonchan, too. Why'd you make me do that?
Because
I just feel dirty now. Oh, here we go. All right, first off, we're going to open up this fantastic Legendary Collections pack. We are looking for the reverse Charizard or a holo Charizard. Or both. Yeah. How epic of a pack would that have been?
All these packs, come on.
Dude.
Better than the last couple videos.
Hey, look, first off, calm down. All right?
Oh,
fire. It's going to be a fire. The Charmander, is that a sign? There's a Charmeleon. Holy smokes, ladies and gentlemen. Boom. Ponyta. Rapidash. Ponyta. And Golem with the reverse. Oh, with the massive print line. Holy
that one got
crap.
Me too. Where is that?
Yeah, see it right here? Yeah. All the way down.
It's on the same side, too. Yeah.
That's rough, ladies and gentlemen. That is rough. So
this is the first set that had the reverse hollows, right?
Yes, actually. I believe so.
I don't mind seeing some of these cards.
I believe so. Yeah. It's a mixture of fossil and base set, right? And jungle.
Yeah.
Fossil, jungle, and base set, I think. Someone's gonna correct me down below. They always correct me. You know? It's actually this, dude. Some people are just evil people at times. Evil, but it's all right. You know why? Because we got the Lucha House Party to protect us.
Let me see the shirt.
Right here, look, right here. Where can they get the shirt at right here?
WWE.com/ or WWEshop.com/ House Party. Where can they get your shirt?
Hey, you know what?
You just gave me some.
Yeah, they can go. Link down below in our merch shop designed by humans. Make sure y'all click on that link. Here we go. There's Abra. Drowsy. Ooh, there's a Snorlax, but that's an uncommon. That's not a rare, yeah. Here is our rare after this Ghastly. Oh! Big hit. Dark Blastoise. Oh, hold on. Oh! No print line. Holy smokes, ladies and gentlemen, we just got 2 of the freaking epic cards in this pack. Holy smokes.
No, you said you get the next one. You get that.
Oh! That kind of hurt a little bit. Oh. No, that kind of hurt a little bit. Hold on.
Got fingertips on.
Hold on, man. Look, I've been working out a little bit, but not that much, man.
Flex? Let's do a little flex.
I almost passed out. I couldn't breathe there for a second.
I started getting lightheaded. Hold on.
Oh, man.
Oh, meow, God.
All right, here we go. This is actually, if you guys wanted to meow, which I don't approve, this would be a huge.
Meow.
Oh, is it a chant now?
Yeah, of course.
We got a dark. No, we got a dark Blastoise. What doesn't look like there's any print lines that I can
From
see.
here, I can't see anything. I'm in a different.
Wow, this is epic. The centering on this is really nice. The back of it is really nice. This has a great shot at a PSA 10.
Hope you guys get a 10 on that. I will
Next.
call him Lieutenant Blastoise.
Luchalit Blastoise.
Like he's like this. Hey, I'm here.
And then we have this fantastic
Alakazam.
Alakazam. If this comes back at 10, I bet you this is over $1,000.
Really?
I want to throw that
How
out
does it
there.
look?
The centering on it looks great. I don't see any print lines. Now, these are very hard to grade.
Yeah, I was gonna say those.
The centering on the back looks
I
great.
don't mind the surface of that card as far as like the reverse hollow goes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that firework pattern is great.
Yeah.
Holy smokes. Ladies and gentlemen, we still have so many epic packs this video. Holy crap. We still got to open up Skyridge. Here we go. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Smash that like button, ladies and gentlemen.
Try to chop it,
Chop it.
press it.
Oh, wow.
Splash it.
This is opening up nice and buttery. Nice and buttery.
Remember to follow Lince on Insta.
Instagram.
I got Twitter. I mean, I'm on it, but
I mean, Instagram is where you at, though,
I'm
right?
on that Instagram.
Giraffe Rig. Weedle. Oh.
Follow right here.
Wow. This is. Oh.
No.
What else? Hold on. Oh. Let's go. Yes, it is.
Nice.
Yes, that means we might have another rare at the end there. Wow.
That is fire.
Raikou, ladies and
It's a
gentlemen.
magic.
Boogie. And this centering is gorgeous as well.
Squeeze it.
Ladies and gentlemen, this might be one of the most epic videos we've ever had on the channel. And we got the man himself, Lince. I was gonna, yeah.
I got the hair from you.
Oh, come on. Here we go. Wow, look at that though. Whew, the Politoed. And with 3 moves, man.
There's no texture on that.
No,
it's just straight shiny.
It's just straight reverse. It's a beautiful card.
Yeah, I don't mind that.
It's a beautiful card. It's a little off-centered on the back, but that's okay. And then we did get a rare Beedrill as well.
Yeah, of course.
And then
today.
We got a Starmie, and then there's the Fisherman. Okay. Last pack of the Skyridge, and then we move into the first edition Spanish. If we pull a Charizard.
I wonder if that theory that we created a couple videos ago about electric, water, maybe even a Charmander.
Well, they're just in a different order.
That's what I'm saying, but I wonder if in different languages that theory still holds up.
Oh, look at that Houndour.
Ah.
There's a new theory, you guys know, put it in the comments below.
Kuna, hold on.
That rhymed.
Yep. Oh, that means we didn't get a hollow. Reverse. Oh, there it is. It's okay. That's not bad.
So you get a hollow.
A hollow always comes
Hollow
first.
Yeah.
Okay.
But that's a great hollow to grab though. That Raikou.
Yeah.
If that comes back at 10, that might be a close
We
to
got that
$1,000 card.
Magneton, of course, in the first video.
Cash rules everything around me. Cream, get the bill, y'all. Anybody? No?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Hold on. All right.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is now time for the main event of the video.
Look at that. 3 Venus back to back to back. We'll just save this for last.
Yes.
All right, here we
All right,
go.
Lince, pick out the pack that you think we should open last.
Wow.
Which one are you feeling?
I'm not gonna lie, because I feel like I'm not feeling none. I think there's gonna be fire. I don't think it's gonna be the Charizard. But if I was gonna, this one is looking at me this whole time. The back one.
The last one? Alrighty.
We're gonna bless that one right here today, ladies and gentlemen.
He's like,
Bless it again.
he's like, open me up.
Boom.
See what's inside.
Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. What is it? Energia or Energia?
Energia.
Energia. Eradicate.
Oh, that's the same name. Nice.
Costing. Well, I think there's not a Spanish translation
True.
to these, right?
You put a little accent. Like,
Voltor. Abra. Oh, there's the B drill.
got the 4 horsemen of the beach.
Okay, so the energies are the 2 in the back.
Okay.
Should we do a card trick with this? Put the 2 energies in the front?
Maybe.
Should
Yeah.
we? First time ever?
That way it'll give us a preview of whether our theory works or not.
Oh, okay. So I'll do it with this Charizard pack.
You should do it with that Charizard pack.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it.
No problem.
You're such a genius. Here we go.
I'm gonna keep that.
Nice.
I was like, oh. What is this?
Grass.
What does this tell us?
It's gonna be a psychic Pokemon. I don't know.
Grass and lightning. That was the same exact ones last time.
What did we get out of that? Do you remember?
Yeah, B-drill. Just now.
Mailbox.
Magmar. Dugong. Magikarp. Squirtle. Drowsy.
Drones.
Abra. Ghastly. Onyx. This is going to be a heavy pack. And no, it is not, ladies and gentlemen.
De-evolution.
De-evolution.
The evolution.
What he said. What he said.
Churro.
Wait a minute. Like churros? Oh, dude, I love churros.
I just
Next
heard
time you're in
churros.
Florida, you
Oh.
can come by my spot. There's an
Deal.
amazing churro spot that me and my family love to go to. Oh my god.
I
Fresh, filled, it's
Churros are amazing. And then you get like vanilla scoop of ice cream.
this place has ice cream with it. Oh, yeah. Here we go.
And, all right, hold on. 1,
2.
2. Here we go. You ready? What's this mean?
Okay,
Energy?
Psychic, fire.
Oh.
What you feeling? Psychic.
I think we're gonna get our first hollow right here.
I think it might be the Nidoking.
Okay. Okay. Here we go. Is that a sign? Is that a sign? Back to back?
Wait, what?
Is back to back?
Put more than one?
Oh, is this a sign? There's a Pidgey with Chop and gotcha. One more. Oh, an Electrode. Oh, are these all light? We need one. So basically the math per box is anytime you get these booster packs, it's typically a ratio of 1 out of every 3 packs is a hollow. So
We should get one here.
at least we get one. We should.
And they're all first edition, so we kind of all win.
Yeah, I mean, they're first edition Spanish packs. And yeah, we'll see. So, here we go.
Ooh, and fight a new combination.
Machoke. Oh, you think so?
Grass.
Grasse?
100%.
Grasse? Whoop.
Doodle.
Doodle. Vulpix. Nidoran. Oh, Ghastly. And another Electrode. I'll tell you what. If this last pack doesn't have something, I'm going to be
Are we on the
upset.
last pack already?
I'm going to be upset. I'm
The
going
one that you've been baking.
to be upset.
All right, well, here we go. Last pack magic. Let's go! Who gets... All right, where are we at on the chops, though? Is it my turn?
I think it's your turn to
It's
do the job.
it's your turn. It's your turn. It's your turn.
All right.
But first, let me do this. This is why we don't do card trick. Hold on.
No, but it's okay. The
Okay.
suspense is
All right. So, okay, fighting.
hollow here. We're going to get this hollow,
All
right?
right, here we go. Eradicate. Growlithe.
Fine.
Charmander. Ghastly. Metapod. Adieu. What are you doing? And a V-Drill. That's so dumb, man. This is why you don't have Lince on the show. See, he gives you bad luck right now and everything. So here we go. Here we go. Here we go. So, yeah, let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got here.
Yeah! Say meow! Say meow!